Hello and welcome to my channel, BeardyVlogger. My name is Mick. I have not cried to an Adele song yet today, and in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a company called Ginger Beards. This is a company I have not been this excited about trying out a company in quite some time. My bearded brother over at Beardswag, Mike Cribbs, swag father himself, did a review on this company. It is a collaboration scent that he did with Ginger Beards, and the way that Mike described this scent, I just had to try it. I just had to have it. So I went out and immediately messaged Ginger Beards, started talking to the owner a little bit about their backstory. He owns a shop together with his wife, and they've actually been selling beard products through their shop for quite some time. But that review that Mike Cribbs did for them really kicked off kind of the online shop for them. So I'm super excited to open this box, or a bag rather. Remember to always cut away from yourself, especially if you tend to be klutzy like myself. So let's see what we've got here. So I've got the Swag Father. Oh my god, I can already kind of smell it just coming out of the bag here. So this is the Swag Father. I believe this is the butter. It says Swag Father Ginger Beard Softened and Conditioned Beard Butter, handcrafted. And then it's got the ingredients on here: avocado butter, cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, argan oil, cannella seed oil, lanolin, grapeseed oil, beeswax, and fragrance oil. So we'll just take another look at the label there and what that looks like. So the label is on the top rather than on the side. I do kind of agree with Tyson over at Faithfully Bearded on this. When you have a product up on your beard shelf and you want to decide what to take off your shelf, you're not going to have your products sitting like this. You're going to have them sitting like this, and you're going to want to see that label so you know what you're taking off the shelf. So that's just my first impression too, is it'd be great if they wrap the label around it. But either way, it's just a nice simple label there that they have, and looks very nice. I'm just going to open it up a little bit here. We're going to check out what the consistency of this beard butter is. Let's just... Okay, so this comes out like a cream very, very easily. I can't wait to smell this. We're just going to let it melt in the hand a little bit. Okay. I think this is mixing with something else that I tried earlier. It's adding a little bit of sweetness. I actually can't quite describe what this smells like. I know there's supposed to be oud in it, but I'm not smelling a ton of oud. Maybe it'll smell different in beard, but I'm almost getting a bit of a musky scent. There's a bit of a sweetness to it. My gosh, I don't even know how to describe this thing. I almost have to look at the ingredients again just to see if there's anything that I can take out of this. Holy cow, I can't. It's got a musky sweetness to it, I guess, is the best way that I can describe it, and it smells really good. Holy cow. Oh gosh. Okay, let's see. I can't remember if I got an oil as well. I know I did get a combo. So this is the 1 ounce beard oil, and that's what the label looks like. Honestly, I hate when there's plastic around the top here, because it's always so difficult to get off. And you don't want to, when you're cutting this, you don't want to cut the rubber for your pumper top, and you also don't want to cut yourself. So it's just a little bit tricky and a little bit annoying for me, but that's okay. I think we've got some good stuff here. So let me take a whiff of this one. So this one is, it doesn't say what the scent is. It just says Ginger Beards, and then it has like the carrier oils on here with fragrance oils on the bottom. So we're going to have a look at the consistency of the oil here. Okay, so it's a nice light to medium consistency oil, and I think this is I feel like this might be the Swag Father. It does kind of have that musky, sweet scent to it as well. It's coming in a little bit sweeter than the butter did. I don't know. I don't remember Mike describing this as a musky scent, but to me, that's what I'm getting out of this, which is interesting. That's that everyone's nose is a little bit different. I'm just gonna rub off some of this oil because I think we've got some more oil here, and I'm interested to see what this one is. Get rid of the annoying plastic. Try not to cut the rubber. Try not to cut ourselves. That was painful to watch, wasn't it? Okay, so there's another one here. It just says Ginger Beard's beard oil. Of course, the dogs are barking. Sorry about that. We've got another one here. Again, it lists the carrier oil ingredients, but not so much the essential oil ingredients. They're both got this blue dot on it or purple dot. I'm a little bit colorblind, so I don't know. And I think this might just be the same thing. Let's open it up. Again, that kind of light medium consistency to it. And yeah, that does kind of smell the same. Yeah, so I think I got two of the same. I don't know if that was by accident or on purpose, but hey, that's an extra ounce of beard oil that I don't think I paid for, so I'm very happy with that. Then I've got a personalized note here, which I always do enjoy. You guys can read that there, but I'll read it out to you as well. It says, Miklos, thanks for the support. Here is an extra bottle of oil for the delay. Your beard will thank you after usage, Jamie. Okay, so that explains why I got the extra bottles. So I'm honestly, when it comes to beard products being sent to me, I'm kind of already used to stuff taking a while because I do live in Canada. A lot of the companies that I purchase from are from the States. So I don't really pay attention to when a product comes in. I don't really, unless it's been like a few months, I might reach out to the owner and say, hey, I don't think I received the product. Or got lost in the mail or something. It's happened a couple times, but you know, for the most part, unless it takes a few months, I don't really ask questions. So I actually didn't think, Jamie, that this took you a long time to get out to me, but thank you for the extra oil. I really do appreciate that. This is a very intriguing scent to me. Sweet, musky, crazy scent that I just can't describe, and I'm super excited to use these products for a week. Tell you guys a little bit more about the pricing, feeling beard, and what you can expect if you try out this product. You can check them out at ginger.beards on Instagram. Have a chat with Jamie, the owner. Definitely get the Swag Father. I think this is a very unique scent that a lot of you guys are going to want to like. A lot of you guys are going to like and definitely want to try out. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week. In today's video, hello and welcome to my you can check them out at have a chat with Jamie, the owner. Check out
Perfect.